Now, we've seen several types of asphalt shingles, so let's get into some of the items you might find on a shingled roof. And no better place to start than with a starter shingle or starter course. These are generally installed along the perimeter of the roof, and before there was an actual starter product, many roofers would just cut up and flip over a 3-tab shingle and use that as a starter, and some still do. Now, starter is sold as a specific product in rolls or in bundles, much like shingles would be sold. It's commonly found on the eaves, but some roofers install it on rake edges, and some roofing systems actually require it to be installed all the way around the perimeter of the roof. Now, drip edge is another common accessory. It's installed to keep water from running down the fascia board and protects the decking from wicking water coming off the roof. Now, like starter, it's common to see this on the eaves and sometimes the rake edges. It's also becoming part of a code requirement in many areas across the country. Those roofs that don't have it now may need it in the future. There are several other common flashing items and accessories that are found on an asphalt roof and any other roof for that matter. They're used to interface with any obstruction or protrusion in the roof surface. Chimney flashing is common and can be made of either aluminum or lead, or sometimes even copper. Now, valley flashing may be present as well. It's sometimes made of metal or maybe a membrane material like ice and water. It's often hidden under the layers of shingles. Pipe boots and other kind of vents can be found on a typical roof. They're going to come in all shapes and sizes, but this one is one of the most common. And then we've got hip and ridge shingles, which are also common. Now they can be cut up 3 tabs like you see here on the right photo, upper right photo, or a specifically built hip and ridge shingle like you see in the bottom left, or maybe even a higher profile multi-layer product like you see in the bottom right.